You're so pretty.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete.
Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. I don't know why, but I decided to vlog a little bit today. And we're not doing anything, so there's no reason to, but I was like, why not? So as you would have just seen, we made breakfast and it was delicious. And then we ate breakfast, and then after we ate, I got a lot of body aches and I got a headache, so I slept. So it is a decent amount of time later, but I wanted to keep going with the vlog, and I am going to be getting ready. Not super ready, just like kind of ready, because I want to feel at least a little bit cute today, because I've been feeling so crappy, and I thought feeling cute on Valentine's Day maybe will make me feel good. I don't know, we'll see. So I figured I would show you guys me getting ready, and yeah. Also, don't mind this, I don't have wrinkly skin. I mean, I might, but I have a hero zip patch on my face. So I'm gonna sit in my little chair against my mirror and get sorta kinda ready, maybe cute, I don't know, we'll see. But let's start getting ready. I don't know.
You know how much I love you. I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
My mom sent us a Valentine's Day gift, and let's see what it is. Wow. misses chasing your feet. I got my NARS robe. I complained to her that I really want a NARS robe too. And this is for you.
It is.
Yeah.
Awesome.
For me.
Thanks, Cash.
Thanks, Cash. I am now going to eat one of these. Yay. I hope I can taste it. New look, same product. Ow! That didn't open the way it said it would. Oh, I love NARS robe. I've been craving this. Alright, I'm gonna keep eating this and then... what did I say I was doing next? What did I say I was doing next? I forgot. Babe, maybe I'll just look at what I recorded and see what I said. I don't even know if I said it. Strawberries. I made chocolate covered strawberries. That's it.
Alright, cool.
I cannot handle the food really anymore. My stomach. I mean, not like if we're being honest, not that I really. No, there's too much cream.
Cream, yeah.
Not that I ever really could handle it, to be honest with you.
No, you never could, Jillian.
But it's gotten worse. Anyway.
You have to leave your own party. What are you talking about?
That wasn't a party.
Yeah, it was your birthday.
I didn't leave my birthday.
Yeah, you left.
No, that was another day we went with Grandpa.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
I just did the chocolate covered strawberries, and now I am going to lay down until our food is ready, and then Derek is gonna go pick it up, and we're gonna eat. I'm very, very excited. So it is a little later. I planned on just laying down, and I ended up falling asleep. So, yay. Derek just left to get the food, and I'm very excited. And I don't know, part of me kind of wants to put on a different lipstick because no reason. I'm just like bored and want to do something that feels a little bit Valentine's-y. I don't know. But you'll be the first to see if I do get up and do that. Maybe. We'll see. So I decided I wanted to look a little cute because it is Valentine's Day, but I didn't want to get where was I going with that? But I wanted to stay comfy because I just don't have the energy to do anything that's not comfy. So I'm wearing this sweater dress, which I showed in my Valentine's Day outfit video. If you haven't seen that, you should go watch it, because even though it's past Valentine's Day now, maybe you want to dress cute another day. They're good date night outfits too, so let's put on red lipstick. Most people would line their lips for red lipstick, but this is really only going to be on my face for a couple hours, not even, really. can't even talk. Oh my god, I just like, ugh. The point is I'm not lining my lips. I can't even finish sentences. I'm not lining my lips. I'm just putting it on. And the color I'm using is this one. You can't read that. It is American Doll from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this one. It's the only one that like looks okay with my super pale skin. It's hard to put on red lipstick when your hands are shaking, which mine hurt a little bit. It looks like I did a better job putting it on the viewfinder than I really did. Good. Now it looks like I tried and I didn't. So I am actually going to lay back down and I will talk to you guys again when Derek gets back with the food. I'm so excited. So we are eating. It's delicious. I got some chowder. Yum. We went to the chateau. I love the chateau. Time for dessert. We're having carrot cake and chocolate covered strawberries. We went with this because I still can't taste things that are super sweet. So I thought carrots, strawberries would be a good in-between. Let's see if I can taste it. So it is like, I think 8 o'clock. We had dessert, which I think I showed you guys. And we have been watching Golden Girls because that show is so funny. And I am very tired. So my makeup has only been on for like maybe 4 hours. That might be very wrong. I don't know. But I'm going to take my makeup off and get ready for bed. I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna fast forward through it so you don't have to watch the whole thing because I actually plan on posting a skincare video. Maybe this Friday? I think? Maybe. Very soon. My next video after this is going to be a skincare video. So let's get ready for bed at 8 o'clock at night. That's my life now. Deep breaths. Okay. Let's go.
Till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight,
we're gonna watch Mascara.
Right, we'll find a remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff.
Alright guys, so that is gonna be it for today's video. Don't mind all these stuff on my face. As you know from the last clip, I just do my skincare. So I hope this video wasn't too all over the place. And I hope it wasn't boring because this is the most that I have done in a while. So I thought, why not vlog it? If it's all over the place, Derek is gonna have a fun time editing this. So I am now going to take my medicine because I'm getting a headache. And I'm gonna go to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it entertained you. Maybe a little bit, I don't know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I certainly will be doing more vlogging, and like I said, I will be having a skincare video come out within the next couple days, so look forward to that. And subscribe to my channel to see all the things I have planned. I am looking forward to it. So thank you so much for watching again, and I will hopefully see you guys next time.
And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with